Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send USDT from Coinbase to MEXC exchange. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Coinbase app, and over here you will see the list of all of your assets. So you need to simply select USDT and then tap on the withdraw option. Now once you tap on withdraw, you will be shown a page where it will ask you to provide the address. So in order to get that address, you need to simply launch your MEXC app, then tap on the deposit option. Over here, select the option of on-chain deposit and use the search bar in the top in order to search for USDT. Once you are able to find USDT, you need to select the network, and mostly used network is BB20. So you can select that it is supported in Coinbase. So after selecting the network, it will show you the QR code and the deposit address. So you need to get that from here and go back to your Coinbase account and paste the address in the address section. Then you need to enter the amount, and after that you just have to complete your transaction. Now once your transaction is completed successfully, you will be able to get your USDT from Coinbase to your MEXC account. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.